we will be doing a Topsy tail faux braid with Topsy tail beads. So I will be using my faux braid braiding cap, where yellow represents the hair on top of the head, orange is the hair above the ears, red is the hair at ear level, and pink is the hair underneath the ears. So we'll get started first with yellow, the hair on top of the head. We're going to grab yellow and we're going to tie it right here. Now that yellow is tied, we need to create the first bead. So I'm going to tie yellow again a little bit lower right here. So here I created the first bead. It is a Topsy tail bead, so we're going to Topsy tail it, which means we're going to split yellow in half. Put your 2 fingers through, grab yellow's tail, bring it to your fingers and Topsy tail. So you bring it up and then down below the hair tie. Flip it all the way through, and there's my Topsy tail bead. Now when we Topsy tail the bead on the mannequin head, we are going to pull on the bead. But because this is yarn, we're just going to go through the steps, but we're not going to pull. Now that I got my first Topsy bead, I need to bring orange into the middle. Orange will need to be tied at the same place as the second hair tie right here. So I need to tie orange right here. However, orange needs to be below yellow. So what I'm going to do is remember this spot, bring yellow up out of the way, and I'm going to tie orange right there. Now that orange is tied, I'm going to bring yellow back. And my second hair tie on yellow and my hair tie on orange matches. So this is good. Now before I actually put these two together, I am going to Topsy tail orange. So there are a few steps here. So now I'm going to Topsy tail orange. I got my 2 fingers open, bring orange into my fingers, and then pull down. So here orange is Topsy tailed. When we work with hair, we are going to pull on orange. But because this is yarn, we're just going to go through the steps. Bringing yellow back up and around. Now I'm going to tie yellow and orange together. So now that orange and yellow are tied together, we need to place a second hair tie a little bit below to create an orange and yellow bead. Now that the 2 are tied together, I'm going to Topsy tail this bead. So I'm going to split yellow and orange in half. Place my 2 fingers in the opening, bring yellow and orange into my fingers and Topsy tail. Make it go all the way through. There we are. So there's your orange and yellow Topsy tail. Next we are going to have to bring red, which is the hair at ear level, into the middle. And I want to tie it at the same place or height as that second hair tie on yellow and orange. So I'm going to tie red right here, but it needs to be below this bead. So I'm going to remember this position and I'm going to bring this up and out of the way. So now I'm going to tie red right there. Once red is tied, I'm going to Topsy tail red. I'm going to place my 2 fingers behind the hair tie, bring red into my 2 fingers and pull down. Red is Topsy tail. I'm now going to bring yellow and orange back down. And the 2 hair ties are about the same position, which is good. So now I'm going to tie yellow, orange, and red together. Now again, when we're going to work on the mannequin head, we will be pulling on red. But because this is yarn, we're just going through the steps. Next, we are going to create our 3rd bead. But because the hair or the yarn is getting too thick, we are only going to stick with orange and yellow. Red is part of this hair tie, but it will not be part of this bead. So I'm going to tie orange and yellow right here to create my 3rd bead, leaving red out. Now that yellow and orange are tied without red, I need to Topsy tail this bead. So I'm going to split yellow and orange in half, place my fingers through the opening, bring orange and yellow into my fingers and pull through. All the way, all the way, all the way. So now that we made our 3rd yellow and orange Topsy tail bead, I need to bring pink into the middle. Pink needs to be tied at the same location as this bottom hair tie from the Topsy tail bead. So I need to bring pink right here and tie it. But it needs to be below this Topsy tail bead. So I need to remember this location. And I'm going to go ahead and bring the yellow and orange Topsy tail bead up out of the way, leaving red down because red was not part of that bead. So pink is going to be tied right here. And we are also going to include red. Now that red and pink are tied, I need to Topsy tail pink and red. But before I do so, I want to make sure that my hair tie is where I want it to be. So I'm going to bring back down orange and yellow. And I'm just going to check the location of the hair tie, and it's about right. So now I'm going to remove, once again, the orange and the yellow Topsy bead out of the way. And I'm going to Topsy tail red and pink. So I've placed my fingers inside the opening above the hair tie, grabbed pink and red, placed it into my fingers, and I'm going to pull down. So now that red and pink are Topsy tail, I am now going to bring down, again, yellow and orange bead. Now all four of these are going to be tied together. So these are the steps for your Topsy tail faux braid with your Topsy tail bead. Now on the mannequin, we will be pulling on pink, red, orange, and we'll also be pulling on all the Topsy tail beads. So let's go ahead and do this now on the mannequin head. So on the mannequin head, I went ahead and I removed yellow, the hair on top of the head. And this will be my first section, and I'm going to tie it right there. Now that it's tied, I need to create my first bead. So therefore, I'm going to go a little bit lower and tie it right here. With the first bead created, we are going to do the first Topsy tail. So we're going to split the hair in half, place your fingers above this hair tie, bring the hair into your fingers and pull down. Push all the way through, and there's my first Topsy tail bead. Now that we're working on actual mannequin hair, we are going to be pulling. So I like to do the pulling from the bottom and work my way up one side at a time. And then do the other side. Pull out little by little, tiny sections at a time. And then make sure it's even on both sides. Your bottom is going to be wider, and then it's going to get a little thinner as you go up. Now that the first Topsy tail bead is done and pulled, and I like it the way it looks, you can also make it wider. We are now going to bring orange to the middle, and we're going to need to tie it at the same location as this bottom hair tie. But it will need to be underneath this Topsy tail bead. So I'm going to go ahead and remember this location, bring this Topsy tail bead up, and grab my orange. And I'm going to tie orange right here. Before I Topsy tail orange, I need to make sure that this hair tie and this hair tie are about the same location. And in this case, this one's a little higher, so what I'm going to do is just pull down a little bit, match the location, bring yellow back up, and I'm going to Topsy tail orange. I'm going to make an opening above the hair tie, place my two fingers through, grab orange, place it in my fingers, and Topsy tail. Now we are going to pull, since we are using mannequin hair. So we're going to pull to the right, work your way up. So start down here, and then work your way up. Start down here to the left, and work your way up. And then also right here. And then once you feel like you pulled enough, we're going to bring yellow back down. And we're going to tie yellow and orange together right here. Now that yellow and orange are together, I need to make a bead with yellow and orange. So therefore I'm going to place a hair tie a little bit lower right here. To create the Topsy tail bead, I'm going to split yellow and orange in half, creating an opening above their hair tie. Place my two fingers in, grab yellow and orange's tail, place them into my fingers, and pull down. All the way, all the way, all the way. Topsy tail beads have been created. We are now going to pull on it. We're going to start from the bottom, work our way up little by little. Going back to the bottom to pull again. I'm going to work on the left hand side. Clean up this middle part. Left, right together, making sure it's nice and even. Always want to keep the hair clean. Alright, I like my orange and yellow Topsy tail bead, so now I need to bring red into the middle and tie it at the same location as this one. So I'm grabbing red, bringing it to the middle, making sure I tie it at the same location right here, but it needs to be below the bead. So what I'm going to do is bring yellow and orange out of the way, but it is too heavy to go up, or you can clip it, or you can just tie red right here and keep orange and yellow to the side. So I'm going to push orange and yellow out of the way behind my arm, and I'm going to tie red right here. I'm going to place yellow and orange back on top of red to make sure it's at about the right location. And next I need to Topsy tail red. So I'm going to push yellow and orange out of the way, create my opening above red, grab its tail, bring it into my fingers, and pull down. Bring yellow and orange back above red, and I'm going to tie all of them together right here. Now that everything is tied together, I'm going to hang onto the hair tie and pull on red. Starting from the bottom, pull a little at a time and work your way up. Alright, I am done pulling on red. Next, we're only going to make a yellow and orange bead. So therefore, you can see red right here. It's separated because it was tied separately and then brought together. But you can still see the separation. Red will not be part of this bead. So I'm only going to grab yellow and orange. And to create the next bead, I'm going to place a hair tie right here. Now that it's tied, we're going to create another Topsy tail bead. I'm going to split it in half. Above the hair tie, place my 2 fingers through, grab the tail, place it inside my 2 fingers, and pull down, all the way down. Now the reason we don't include red is because the Topsy tail bead is already so thick. Now we're going to pull, starting from the bottom and working your way up. Trying to keep it nice and clean. Take little pieces at a time and pull. Once you're happy with your bead, we are now going to put orange and yellow to the side above my hand, and I'm going to grab pink from the back. Whatever's left over is pink. We're going to tie it with red at the same location as this hair tie. So there's this hair tie, there's my hand matching the location, and I'm going to tie pink and red together right here. So now I need to Topsy tail pink and red. So I'm going to split that section in half. Place my 2 fingers through, making sure orange and yellow are out of the way. Bring the tail to my fingers and pull down. Then I'm going to go ahead and bring yellow and orange back on top, and we're going to tie it together right here. Pink and red, orange and yellow are all together now. I'm going to hang on to this hair tie while I pull on pink. So same thing, starting from the bottom, working your way up, finding pink on this side, starting on the bottom, working your way up, making sure it's even on both sides. So here is my Topsy tail faux braid with my Topsy tail bead and some crystals.